We're here at NARPM 2025's National Convention in Orlando. And as you can see behind me, we got the new booth today. And today we were offering coffee, baristas, donuts, croissant, whatever people wanted. And we also have the coffee bar and the happy hour bar going on right now. What is NARPM in one word?
Collaboration.
Innovative.
Fun.
Networking.
Amazing.
Community.
Kick ass.
Togetherness.
Connection.
Resourceful.
It's always great here at NARPM, and we are proud to be a platinum sponsor this year. So thank you for having us. We're loving this community. I'm excited to be back next year. See you next time.